Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Got a beautiful 1969 Mustang Mach 1 to show you. This car we're going to list on Bring a Trailer. It's a full restoration nut and bolt rotisserie. The motor is a 351. It's got the old school compressor for the air conditioning. It's a 4-barrel carburetor. They did everything to be as correct as possible, with the exception of the sealed Superstar battery. But it's a beautiful car. It runs good. Before it was restored, it had 90,000 miles. So it was a very good, very solid car to begin with. And it was all taken apart and refurbished. It was a 2-year process. And the gentleman that did the work, I'm told, also restored one of the famous Mustangs that was found in Mexico, one of the original Shelby 500s. But it's finished in a beautiful white. It's got the correct Mach 1 wheels, BF Goodrich radial tires, really nice paint. And it's nice to see a 4-barrel car with air conditioning. And it works. You can see the door panels. There's your VIN sticker right there on the door. The seats have been redone in real nice shape. The dash, power disc brakes on the brake pedal. You can see the gauges work. Lots of oil pressure at idle. The engine temperature is right in the middle. Charge is right in the middle. It's got the seat belt holder in the center console. Beautiful Mach 1 dash that we all remember. Still got the AM radio and the center console shifter. And this was the model that had the back seat that you could fold down, almost like a hatchback setup. Just kind of want to walk around it, let you see it, let you hear it. You can see the lights are working. License plate light. It's got the center fuel cap, the rear spoiler, and the rear louvers. One of the special accents of the Mach 1, along with the scoops above the rear wheel wells. I love the stance of this car. The stripes, the hood scoop. It's just dynamite. Get a look here on the passenger side. I'm going to turn off the engine, let you look in the glove box. We'll take a look in the rear hatch area. I'm going to get around and turn the lights off. And you can see up front all 4 lights are working. Man, what a pretty car. White on white with black accents. She is a beauty. I'll pop the trunk here. Might take 2 hands. Bear with me a second. Well, maybe I don't know how to open it, or maybe I don't have the right key. Well, I will get pictures inside the trunk. She didn't want to open with one hand. But it's a beautiful car. It came down here from Oklahoma. It's got the little quad exhaust tips on the back. And I'm going to get some pictures up in the air. But this is as I mentioned, a full restoration. The exhaust, fuel tank, I mean everything has been recoated or it's brand new. And I noticed some of the date codes on these lenses, like these backup lights, are 69. It says Ford 69 on the taillights. So these are original lenses, not reproductions. Pretty cool. But good luck with your bids. Somebody's going to get a really sweet car. We'll do a test drive video I'll tell you, when you put your foot into it and hear that 4-barrel open up and it downshifts, just makes all the right sounds. I'm going to swoop in here close. We can get a good look at the body and the paint. Kind of running down the side. We'll wrap around on the back. But what a gorgeous car. This one I'd love to just hang on to. Just brings back memories. Kind of a dream car when I was in high school. But again, thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails. Good luck with your bids. Somebody's going to get a really sweet 69 Mach 1.